Yeah guys, so I'm gonna show you the finishing look of my brown stew, turkey and dumpling, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, so this is my brown stew chicken and dumpling. This is the finishing look. And guys, me not lie if you tell you, coconut juice me use cook me turkey. Me not lie, coconut juice. Don't say badness go already. And I first me do this. The first me brown stew turkey and put the coconut juice inside it, and I the first me brown stew turkey and put the macaroni inside of it. Everything have to be for the first, so you don't know badness go already guys. So like the video, share the video, also drop a comment. You understand what I did and tell me what you think about the food. Yeah, and remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell as a video drop, you can have it. Okay guys, see you soon with the next video. Bye.